fucking idea.
Indubitably.
Stand by it.
Alright, Ace Ventura. This is Drunken Bee eating a Red Pot faygoburger. Is that Red Pot bean?
You can definitely taste it. What happened is you made like a crust on the outside of the burger. It's like sugary stuff.
Sugary syrup Red Pot.
Yeah.
Caramelized burger.
Yeah, basically.
Do you enjoy?
Yep.
Want a ghost pepper on top of it?
I'm not.
Ghost pepper.
I certainly do. I've got some hot sauce in here that's fucking hot, but no, I don't.
Well, this is Meatball. This is Drunken Bee.
I think it's a drink.
And that's Juggalotus. You know fucking something happened where you can't really sing very good. And anyways, we're out of here. Two whoops. Two whoops. Two whoop whoops. Peace.